I think everybody has to acknowledge, don't underestimate the guy.
The economy is good, stock market's up, a lot of jobs, best unemployment we've had in many, many decades.
And a complete earthquake. This was an earthquake unlike any earthquake I've really seen since Ronald Reagan in 1980. It just came out of nowhere.
As the election of Donald Trump was an earthquake felt around the globe, his accomplishments since are the aftershocks no one saw coming. From Washington, D.C., where powerful politicians, their media allies, and left-wing activists continue to conspire to further the agenda of the deep state, to Europe, the Middle East, and North Korea, where business as usual is no longer seen by the administration as furthering Trump's America First doctrine. The shockwaves continue to shake the world to its core. From the best-selling author of God and Donald Trump, Stephen E. Strang, comes Trump Aftershock, the president's seismic impact on culture and faith in America. In it, Strang explores from a Christian perspective the effect President Trump's election, his first-term accomplishments, and the Make America Great Again movement have played on American culture. From addressing hostile world governments and dealing with illegal immigration to strengthening the economy, the military, to the daily attacks from a partisan media, entrenched government apparatchiks, and radical leftists engaged in an agenda of intimidation, slander, and ultimately impeachment. Trump Aftershock offers unique insights and analysis that will help you understand just what our nation's most unlikely and unconventional president has accomplished. Gain a better understanding of the political, emotional, and spiritual dimensions at work in Trump Aftershock, the president's seismic impact on culture and faith in America, by Stephen E. Strang. Published by Frontline, released November 6th, in bookstores and online at TrumpAftershock.com.